Introducing TIXOBENT SF4, an optimized bentonite for deep foundations. Deep foundation projects, such as bore piles and diaphragm walls, require careful selection of a drilling fluid system based on geological conditions, groundwater conditions, and site equipment. Choosing the right drilling fluid with a suitable bentonite is therefore crucial to ensuring the stability and integrity of the built structures. TIXOBENT SF4 is a high-yield bentonite designed for deep foundation drilling. It delivers a well-balanced rheological profile and excellent filtrate loss properties to optimize drilling performance. In addition, it features a higher viscosity at lower dosage rates compared to most conventional bentonites on the market, reducing overall costs of the drilling project. Since 2019, TIXOBENT SF4 has been successfully used in over 150 projects across Southeast Asia, with adoption steadily increasing. Some of the region's major deep foundation projects have relied on TIXOBENT SF4, including the MRT Purple Line in Bangkok, the Cross Island Line in Singapore, and the MRT construction in Jakarta. TIXOBENT SF4 provided optimal borehole and trench support across diverse ground conditions. Its superior resistance to groundwater contamination makes it especially effective in coastal environments. Combined with Siam Minerals' comprehensive mud engineering services, including mud management plans, customized mixed designs, and on-site support from our experienced mud engineers, TIXOBENT SF4 sets a benchmark for deep foundation drilling operations. With various production sites and a stable supply chain, we ensure consistent availability and reliability for deep foundation projects in Southeast Asia. Want to learn more about TIXOBENT SF4? Visit our website and follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube